Doctor, I'm not keeping well since couple of days.
Yes, so open.
What?
Oh, I mean your veil.
We are not allowed to lift up our veil.
Okay, but then how will I check?
Like this.
Come on, how will I check properly? Come on, now remove it. Well, I think I'll have to check up your whole body. Go over there and lie down. And by the way, where is it hurting?
Over here.
Did you eat anything outside?
No, just the usual food.
Okay. You must have drunk outside water.
No, that's not possible. I just ate home cooked food.
Okay. Here?
No, I felt cold.
Really? Here?
Little above.
Here?
Ah,
Felt cold?
it hurts.
Okay, so here is the problem. Open this.
What?
Never mind, I'll open it.
You bastard!
What is your problem? Sir, my chest is paining. Chest is paining. Okay, do one thing, take deep breaths.
So, doctor, should I sit?
Hey, what are you doing here? Sit.
Well, actually, I had some work in Srirangnagar regarding a civil contract.
So you have been transferred here.
Are you crazy? My work is over. Tomorrow I'm going to Delhi.
So where are you staying?
Well, they have given us quarters near the site. I'm staying over there.
You have your own house here and you're staying there. It gets too hot in the village over here.
It is hot over here, true. But only the air around here is hot. The roads are dry and cold.
Nobody, nothing like that. Here, all the women in the family don't get out of the house for no reason.
Hey, your dispensary also looks very dry. Not a single lady patient. At least you could have kept a lady compounder here.
Sir, I can hear everything.
Who is this scary guy?
My friend, this whole village is of fools, and the girls here are of no use to us. They roam around with their face covered. And by chance, if we meet someone in the market, they deny from recognizing us.
Your life is really like this since our college. No entertainment. You are now 32, at least now have some
And take
entertainment.
this medicine. Who would want to marry a doctor in a village? Till now, 7 girls have rejected my proposal.
Okay, tell me one thing. What are you doing here in the village? Why don't you come to Delhi and open a dispensary there?
The thing is that if I do my practice for 3 years in the village, I will get a good government job after that. Then I will get a comfortable life and money. I've completed 2 years, just 1 year is remaining.
1 year is still remaining. So do one thing. Find a village girl around here and take her to the farm and do your practice. I mean, do it every day. I have heard that it is fun with the village girls.
Do you know you are such a pervert?
Huh?
This is only what you keep thinking about all day.
Okay, not a girl, but at least find a middle-aged woman. My friend, it will create some excitement in your life. Remember that if you come this way to Delhi, I will never spare you.
Excuse me, sir. There is a patient outside. Should I send?
Is it a girl?
Middle-aged woman.
Middle-aged? It will do. What is her age? 20, 25?
No. Her age is around 60-65.
You fool, 60, 65 is the age of an old woman. Now go get her.
Are you done?
Saw that.
Doctor, the medicine that you wrote got erased by mistake. Oh, now, which was that medicine? Do one thing, come back tomorrow.
Do one thing, go and take a dolo. Okay,
Okay.
now go.
My friend, Dolo is not the remedy for all
For
illness.
patients like this, that is right, okay?
Yeah, even that's right. The whole village is mad.
Yeah. Okay, listen. I will come to your house 9 p.m. sharp.
Yes.
And is there a maid that cooks food for you?
No, bro, no.
So a maid for cleaning?
No, my bro.
At least someone who washes your dishes.
No, bro.
Seriously, I can't expect anything from you. I'm going.
Okay. And you send the patients after some time.
Sir, a hot girl is waiting for you outside.
Huh? Hot girl? Quickly send her inside. Today I will prove it to Mihir. Hmm? What the hell? What is your problem?
Actually, my problem is the stiffness that happens again and again in my muscles.
Oh, what?
And it falls every time.
What?
My scar.
Where did I got stuck? This is a very big problem. Do one thing. Do sit-ups on this 2 times daily. Everything will be fine.
Please be seated.
Thank you so much, doctor.
Excuse me, doctor.
Yes.
Should I go?
Mhm. Yes, what is your problem?
It looks like I reached late over here. The doctor's clinic is open till 11 p.m. in the town.
Actually, this village is very small, so everything gets found up by 8 p.m. By the way, are you new in this village?
Well, not really, but it's been 6 months in this village. Yeah. But it's been first time in your clinic.
So, what is your problem?
Problem?
I mean, why have you come over here?
Oh, I see. Actually, the thing is, since 2 days over here, I've got a serious stomach pain.
Any problem in menstruation cycle?
No. Actually, it's been done last week itself.
Okay. Lie down over there. I will check and tell you what's the problem. And what's your name?
Anjali.
Okay. Anjali, what is the problem exactly?
Over here, it's paining badly in my belly button.
Okay. Here?
Not here. Over there.
Over here?
No, not here. Over there.
Here?
No. Over here.
Do you have any problem in motion?
It's normal.
Do you do some sort of exercise?
Oh yeah. I just started doing yoga 2 days ago. Maybe because of that?
Yes, exactly. Because you have started doing yoga, your muscles have stretched.
Oh god, that's what I was thinking. I haven't done anything and still what's wrong with me? Thank you so much, doctor.